Welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole Sierra, and this is going to be an unboxing AirPods 2 video. So to start off this video, I originally had the AirPods 1 and I purchased them 2 years ago. So my AirPods 1 lasted me a full 2 years, but the reason I had to replace them is actually because, which warning, I took my AirPods and I saw that it was like dirty in the inside of the headphone, so I was like, okay, let me clean this. And me being lazy, younger, back in 2 years ago, I took a pencil, like a little lead pencil, a mechanical pencil, and then I went in there and I went like that, and I tried to like clean it out, and I think I ruined the headphones. So I actually messed with the speaker, and the volume was never the same in this AirPod, and it never came back, and I never went to go fix it, and I kind of just dealt with it like that. So finally I was like, okay, I started to realize I was using my AirPods a lot again, like working out and my new job. So I was like, I really need to have like that quality when I'm on lunch break watching Netflix. So I went to go purchase new ones. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing first before we do like a review / comparison. So this part is going to be silent. Either silent or like, I don't know, I'll try not to talk. Okay, so here's the AirPods 2 opened up, and as you saw, I have the one with the charging case. And the reason I got that one is because it was significantly cheaper, significantly more affordable than the one that was wireless charging, and I felt like the wireless charging one just like it wasn't worth it for me, especially like I don't care if it's wireless or not wireless that much because I'm gonna eventually have to charge the case anyways. I see it, I get it, but that price difference I could not get. So I did go with the charging wired one. So the AirPods 2 versus the AirPods Pro. So the AirPods Pro are the ones that actually have like the soft part and it's like rounded out, so I guess it wouldn't fall out of your ears. But my thing is that I had the other ones for 2 years and they never once fallen out of my ears, like unless I like hit it or completely like did something on my own to knock it out. They never fell out. I've never lost them either. So for me, the $100 difference, once I compare the two, was not worth it. So the AirPods 2, which are these, is a universal fit, and the AirPods Pro are a customizable fit, which is just like the little round part. I mean, customizable to who? You know what I mean? Then it says spatial audio, which I'm not sure exactly what that is, but I guess AirPods Pro has that, and these do not. And active noise cancellation. So this is pretty much one of the biggest differences, is that the other ones are active noise canceling, but I honestly can't hear when anyone talks to me with these on, even not at their highest level. So like I already can't hear, so I already can't hear you like with these at a regular level. So like, I don't really need the noise cancellation because I just don't see myself truly benefiting from it. You know what I mean? Unless like I was super into like music where like I just really love it so much, where I just want to hear nothing but like absolutely anything, but I don't find that to be the case. And plus, like, I really am not exaggerating. Like, if I put these on high enough, I already can't hear someone who's talking to me right there at the gym. I didn't feel like I needed that. And then sweat and water resistant, to me, it sounds kind of gimmicky. Like, I don't know, I don't sweat like crazy. And water resistant, why would I need my AirPods to be water resistant? I don't. I truly don't. So I didn't need that. These AirPods 2 actually have a longer battery charge. They have up to 5 hours charge versus the AirPods Pro. You're losing 30 minutes. It's 4.5 hours. And I think that the battery could be even longer on these. So I would hate to lose out on battery charge versus like any of the other stuff. So then the charging case, I obviously have the standard plug-in one versus the other one has a wireless charging case included. And then personalized engraving is something that they both can have. So those are pretty much the features that Apple shares and compares about the two. And in my personal experience, I don't see spending an extra $100 being worth it at all for me. I mean, I don't know, leave your comments down below. Like, do you find those differences to be truly worth an extra $100? $250 is a lot. And I will spend $250 on makeup, but for AirPods, I just didn't really see it being worth it. So I don't know. What do you guys think? And then another just different thing of its own is the AirPods Max. So the big headphone ones. Those are insane. They're like almost, what, $500? I just can't imagine how good can they possibly be. Like, they can be like almost, like, they don't do anything like a laptop does. Let's see. Oh my god, they're $560. $550. Imagine tax on that? Ooh, never. What can they possibly do? You know what I mean? Like, I just don't get it. So I went with the AirPods 2 versus the AirPods 1. It's just like the updated version. So basically the difference is just like the generation 2. If you do have AirPods Pro or you're between the two and you're kind of like, you know, is it truly worth it? I would just say like reflect on how much you truly listen to music or you love music. And if you're somebody that's super into headphones, and I totally get it, I would say go ahead and get the ones that are newer because they do have the noise cancellation. I guess that would be one thing that I would like. The rest I could care less about if it's sweat or water resistant. I feel like that's just kind of like, I don't know, hard to believe because people have been working out and like doing stuff with regular AirPods and they didn't break. So I don't know. Who am I? Let me know if you do have AirPods Pro and if like I'm totally like not getting this right and I should like take these back and go get the AirPods Pro, or if not, like I truly think you should just get the AirPods 2. Save your $100, put it towards something else that you might like. That could be a whole nother like way to spoil yourself. But that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if there's another unboxing that you would like to see. I'm gonna be getting the Animal Crossing ColourPop collab the whole set, so I think I'm going to do that. But as far as Apple products, I also want to get a new Apple Watch. Let me know which one do you think I should get, and I'll definitely film that. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.